Today, in the world of cannabis, blockchain comes to the cannabis industry. Researchers published the latest and highest 6-year cannabis market projections to date, and data shows that cannabis prices have and will likely continue to rise during the coronavirus pandemic. It's Thursday, February 18th, and this is your TRICHOMES Morning Buzz.
Broadcasting live from the TRICHOMES.com studios in Southern California, it's time for your Morning Buzz. We bring you late-breaking news that keeps you up to date with what's happening in the cannabis industry.
First up, imagine a future where you pay for your cannabis with Dogecoin. In a report by Globe Newswire, Bots Inc., a company specializing in developing and servicing blockchain and robotics solutions, has announced that the cannabis pharmaceutical startup THC Farmaceuticals is the first company to join its platform as part of a landmark initiative for the cannabis industry. According to a press release, the goal of the Cannabis Blockchain Initiative is to build a global supply chain platform based on advanced blockchain technology with a focus on the legal cannabis industry, which is quickly gaining momentum. THC Pharmaceuticals' role in the initiative is to help identify needs and gaps in the cannabis supply chain logistics that are not being addressed elsewhere and collaborate on building solutions aimed at making domestic and interstate cannabis e-commerce easier, safer, and more efficient. A spokeswoman for the company said, THC Pharmaceuticals Inc. has a passion for innovation in our industry and joins Bots Inc.'s blockchain initiative to revolutionize the entire supply chain of the cannabis industry when powered by blockchain.
And next, PR Newswire reports that data from Grandview Research projects that the legal cannabis market will reach over $73 billion by 2027. This adds to a list of research findings from data aggregators projecting higher and higher numbers in the coming years. Grandview's report broke down the revenue share by product type and industry segment according to data from previous years. The medical segment held the leading revenue share of 71% in 2019, owing to the growing adoption of cannabis as a pharmaceutical product for treating severe medical conditions, such as cancer, arthritis, and Parkinson's disease, and Alzheimer's disease, among other neurological conditions. Moreover, the increasing need for pain management therapies, along with the growing disease burden of chronic pain among elders, is expected to boost the product demand. Based on product type, the legal marijuana bud segment accounted for the largest market share in terms of revenue. Buds are primary plant products and are readily available without any processing, which makes them relatively affordable for low-income patients. Moreover, the rapid onset of action of smoking buds compared to other types is anticipated to further fuel the segment growth.
And last up, in a report by MJ Biz Daily, retail data trends show that average prices for recreational cannabis products have steadily increased due to record demand during the coronavirus pandemic. The cannabis analytics firm Headset observed the average price for the past 90 days in comparison to prices from the same time last year and found that in California, Colorado, Nevada, and Washington State, retail cannabis flower prices rose 17% and pre-roll prices rose 15%. Wholesale flower in Colorado saw the highest price since 2016, with the average price of flower per pound rising 31% from October 2020 to the end of January 2021. In Nevada, a state hit hard by less tourism during the pandemic, while cannabis flower prices rose 25%, other cannabis products categories saw declines in price, with average cannabis-infused beverage prices falling 31% compared to last year, and tincture and sublingual prices falling 51%.
That was today's Buzz. Thanks for listening. For more cannabis news and insights from industry professionals and a place to discuss these stories and others, visit TRICHOMES.com.
And be sure to catch up with all of our other cannabis industry-related podcasts like Hash It Out, The High Ground, or Careers in Cannabis wherever you get your podcasts. For TRICHOMES.com, I'm David Fortin.
And I'm Devin Leal. Have a great day.